comes in with gentle quiet. Tiny hands hold a cup so small, yet filled with kindness, meant for all. The thirsty birds with cautious grace draw near the water's shining face. A simple gift so freely shared, a moment showing how hearts care. No promise asked, no need to speak, just peaceful trust in something meek. A touch of innocence so true, a gesture born from skies of blue. The child smiles as wings take flight, refreshed and lifted into light. Forgiving brings a joy so deep, a warmth the soul is meant to keep. By the fountain where the soft breeze sings, a child offers water to weary wings, a quiet act that shows the way, how love can bloom in a single day.